everyone, our group name is London and we are working on a project which is based on a technology that is surprise modeling. Before we proceed with the technology, I would like to tell you about what is the surprise modeling and what are the effects of the surprise modeling in our daily life. Well, surprise is an event that occurs without any prior information, as it is in the human nature that we can sense the environment based on our previous experiences if they are in any surprise. We can be proactive to handle the surprises event. That's all about surprises. Now my colleague will elaborate more about technology and we can model the surprise.
Hello everyone. I would like to tell you that this surprise modeling is going to be a solution for all the traffic problems which we usually face in our daily life. Now, generally what happens if you want to go somewhere, if you want to use your car and if you want to use some roads of your city, and you don't know where and how the people are going to stuck at which place, because a jam can happen anytime and it can happen anywhere. And because of these jams, they are costing too much money. In every nation, this is the problem. Now, the surprise modeling is going to be an effective solution, as it can tell you which route to follow. And now this notification can be done even before getting into the car. If you want to go out, then it will inform you earlier that route is going to be busy, so if it is possible you can leave early. So this is going to be a surprising event. So it's like if you are going somewhere and you are already notified, then you can hurry up, you can leave early, or you can just pass that time so that you can avoid the jamming situations on the roads and you can do your work efficiently, you can reach on time wherever you want to go. And finally, the surprise modeling is based on two things. One is data mining and the another one is applying the machine learning algorithms. Now, how you are going to mine the data? Basically, data mining is knowledge discovery. As we have distributed computers, parallel computing, where we can gather so much information and then we can find the useful information among the huge database, and in the useful information we can apply the machine learning algorithm. By doing this, we can model the surprise that can help us by notifying that this route is going to be busy and this route is going to be open, so or you want to use some expressway or you want to use any public transportation. So that is the most important thing, that it will notify even before you get into your car or even before you are getting out of the house. Thank you.
At the end, to conclude, I would say right now it's a preliminary phase. It would affect and aid people, especially decision makers. There is a wide range of domains such as traffic management, preventive medicines, military planning, politics, business and finance. Our project is called Smart Spur, a traffic forecasting service. Thanks a lot for watching.